Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Photos privacy settings to protect your memories. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to photos.google.com. Sign in to your Google account if prompted. Once logged in, you'll see your Google Photos library. Locate the menu icon on the top left corner of the screen. Click on the menu icon to expand the options. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Look for the Privacy section within the settings. Here, you will find various privacy options to manage your photos. To restrict access, click on Sharing. Turn off Share with Partner if you want to limit shared access. Next, return to the Privacy settings. Review the Hidden section to see if any photos are currently hidden. If needed, you can adjust hidden settings for specific albums. Go back to the main settings menu. Locate Activity and Sharing. Consider turning off activity on Google services to enhance privacy. Scroll down to Photo Library settings. You can adjust who can see your photos by selecting Only Me for maximum privacy. For more control, explore the Shared Albums section as well. Make sure to review any albums you have shared. To unshare, click on the album and select Options. Finally, confirm your changes to ensure your memories are protected. Close the Settings tab to finish. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.